Why does your scanner show the P2123 engine code? What does it mean? P2123 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle or pedal position sensor or switch D circuit high. It indicates that the ECM has detected voltage from the TPS to have exceeded the acceptable range of voltage. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty accelerator pedal sensor. Wiring issues. Engine control module issues. Battery problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Mercedes, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.